This is the Coinbase Debit Card. I'm Dan, I'm in Taiwan, and let's get some cash. In this video, we're going over the Coinbase Debit Card. What is it? How does it work? What kind of fees can you expect? What type of cash back do you get? And is it worth it? I'm Dan, I make crypto content. If you find anything helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. Links are in the description. What is the Coinbase Debit Card? It's a debit card. You need funds in there and you can use the card. It is not a credit card. And a credit card generally is better for making purchases because you have consumer protection, and when you have a debit card, it should only be used for withdrawing cash. Now, the Coinbase debit card is only available to US users at the moment. Even if you're not a US resident but set everything up, it is possible because I am in Taiwan. And it is very convenient, but I don't think it is the best debit card out there. And I put it to the test. I withdrew cash using the Coinbase debit card and with my Charles Schwab ATM. The results? Exactly the same. But when it comes to debit cards, I like Charles Schwab because of their ATM fee rebate. Now, whenever you use an ATM, typically there is a fee. When it comes to the Coinbase card, you are going to pay that fee. So that's just one thing to consider. We're going to talk about the other fees. Foreign transaction fees, none, which is awesome because you can just pull out cash and you get pretty much the market rate. Now, let's say you didn't have USDC in your account. You would be paying a fee of 2.5% to convert some of your other assets directly to USDC. Now, I haven't actually tried that. I haven't gone through the automated process because I don't want to pay that fee. So if you are a Coinbase user, you might want to consider loading up your account with some USDC. If you use the convert option, I was getting about a 3.5% fee when trying to convert Ethereum directly to USDC. So I went through the trading options of trading my Ethereum for USDT, then USDT to USDC, and that got me a fee of about 0.7%. So it does take an extra minute to do that, but if you want to get your full value, you are going to want to load up your account with some USDC. Now, what are the Coinbase debit card benefits? There are no foreign transaction fees, and you get 1% back on your purchases in the form of crypto. Every month you can choose what you want to get your cash back on, and at the moment it's 1% on everything, so you can get 1% in cash back with every purchase, and you can get that in the form of Algorand, Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Stellar Lumens. So as I mentioned, that is for purchases, that is not for withdrawing cash. Whenever you make a purchase using your debit card, you are eligible to get 1% back in the form of crypto of your choice. You also get some additional features with your account, like being able to lock your debit card directly from the app or the Coinbase website. With the collapse of FTX, trust in centralized exchanges are at an all-time low with very good reason. So, where can you trade? A decentralized exchange. The only problem is the fees are higher and it has significantly less features. But that's where MarginX comes in. MarginX is a decentralized perpetuals trading exchange with a fully transparent on-chain order book and with fees much lower than Uniswap. Big thanks to MarginX for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more about them, there's a video in the description that'll help you out. Is the Coinbase debit card worth it? I think it's very convenient. It is an excellent option of converting your crypto directly into cash. As far as the tax implications, I'm not fully aware of that. If you wanted to avoid those implications, you would probably have to stay on the decentralized route by maybe using P2P trading, maybe using crypto ATMs, maybe using alternative services. But that's up to you. I know Coinbase does report your taxes to the IRS, so you might want to keep everything very transparent. As for a debit card, using USDC, amazing, very convenient to convert my crypto, but there are a lot of fees on Coinbase compared to other exchanges or decentralized exchanges. And as for a debit card, there are better options out there. My personal favorite is the Charles Schwab debit card. That is another card available to US residents. Now, Binance, they do have their own card. I think it's a credit card, and I don't have access to that in Taiwan as of yet. But if they ever open that up to US residents or Taiwan residents, I am gonna give that a shot so I can give a proper review. But let me know what you think in the comments. Is this card something you'll be using? Is there another debit or credit card that you prefer? I also got the Gemini card, but it doesn't work. I contacted support many times and they weren't very helpful. The Gemini card is a credit card and there's no numbers on it. You have to use things through the app, but I had a lot of issues. So let's save the full review for another time. If this video was helpful, as always, thanks for being here. Please consider subscribing if you want to join the workshops or the Discord community. Links are in the description. And with that, I hope you got your full value for today.